Kukrudu.
Amen.
Kukrudu.
Yes.
Kukrudu. Excellency, Ghana's ambassador to the Netherlands, the national chairman, MPP Holland, members of the MPP, colleagues from Ghana, and the media, of course. I believe that or before we leave here, you'll find pictures all over social media. Also, they are extremely important. I think the time we copper on Monday, don't now be called a Juma. The Kasano be very short, and the Dinjak is safe in Ghana. Ebre Munina, and I must say I'm extremely encouraged in the face of despondency, apathy, and a lot of grumbling. You found faith with the party and to be here at this moment. That tells me, sir, in the face of all this, no, you are still committed to the MPP. And as much as we are talking for the good of our party and for the good of our country. I commend you for doing that this evening. I think, sir, and Ralph, it won't be different from what we did yesterday in Amsterdam. Now, MPP, 3 years on. And yeah, Ghana for Yehu. There are two groups of people. Ghana and I say all over the world are Ghana for. Ya won krofo a enam wo mo sweat wo mo sika and wo mo contributions direct and na MPP ba power and they are krofo so a wo mo de wo okro no mo enkoyi o emfa wo mo. But I believe say if you put Nanado based on yama yaka obroni beka the social contract with the good people of Ghana need there ya 3 years on. I think that MPP has done exceptionally well. I know there anybody everywhere understands that. Everybody. Because I believe, sir, Ghana for. And there's no single area or we've not done anything. Nobody can contest that. But the only challenge we have is with our own party people who believe, sir, yaba power na minyafe. Sometimes, but you ask yourself, do you satisfy your core people at the expense of the entire country? These are things that will say, Mr. Mumeni Samu. But I want to plead with you, sir. A Juma Nanado as starting. It tells you, sir, while lay foundational, MPP will stay in power a little longer. If we become impatient, expecting everybody who contributed to get something in the first 4 years, what it means, we say, we are in a hurry to be in power for only 4 years. Let me give you an example. I've been a polling station executive, I've been a constituency secretary, I've been parliamentary candidate twice. 3 years on, my appointment came just 2 months ago. It did not stop me from going on radio and speak for the party. Because my dependency rate, I reduced it because I used to pay school fees for people in Ghana. Free SHS, you can't come to me and ask me for money. And this will be so unyafia. I show. Say we for hitherto could call you for free for school fees. These days, Nanado has taken care of that. Say Nanado nyafia, John Mahamani NDC 8 years. Ghana until say Nanado beba power no. Afibia nkwala omuntumi ntua school so from junior secondary school to senior secondary school no. Now we have about 120,000. Your future is destroyed for good. So 120,000 times 8 years. Almost 1 million plus. Some unfortunately will turn armed robbers. Some will turn prostitutes. Some will turn sakawafo. They become a burden onto the society. Now another 3 years on, 1.2 million children is putting them in schools. And to the little you contributed to the MPP, be proud to say your money and your contributions has put in the future of our country just as you want to see or you see in Europe. It should be our motivation. Obviously, everybody will be affected. MPP executives today,
there were over 144,000 direct executives of our party. Appointment and our president bet me aye. The maximum president can do and the proxies is up to about 5,000, including ambassadors and people all over the world. Nipa to Obama MPP, we are about 5 million. So if everybody is expecting to get a direct benefit, there's no way a government can run in our country. A government can never run. It is true that the few of us who have the opportunity to serve in government, we should open our doors for the vast majority of people outside. That is true. We share orientations. It is to create further opportunities. Because the only opportunity to serve in government, it is one step away to create opportunity for other people who are not in government. That is the only way everybody will feel, say, contributions are here, you are part of it. And Holland has been very, very strong in supporting the MPP in times past. Most of us, of course, I'm a CEO. But by the workings of the government of Ghana, I am not entitled an official ticket to this program. No. Because auditors will pick you and they will sanction you. Because this is not an official government business. Because of the relationship I am moving with Holland branch, no matter how it cost us, we needed to make time for this program. It tells you that the contribution of Holland to MPP in Ghana, we recognize it and we respect it at the highest level. MPP, apart from free SHS, I will speak more about opportunities for our young people and for everybody in Ghana. The economy of Ghana, and they will come NDC4 on radio. The first thing they will tell you, they say, we don't eat statistics. When we say GDP, you try to table so, it's a height of hypocrisy and ignorance. Statistics in Yejuma, the Dutch government cannot measure how well they are doing. Nipa no see statistics in Yejuma, or not to make catch yourself come dinner. Then you ask the person, say, have you gone to everybody's pocket or his home to see if Nipa no need it? It is the living standard of a country, and it will determine say country way a cost one answer and cost. Say statistics here. NDC wouldn't have left this country with statistics. But I'm telling you, say, every indicator, economic, being macro or microeconomic indicator, MPP in another 3 years will improve it more than 50 or 100% as we speak today. They had the highest oil fine, President Gufodi. The oil and non-oil economy under NDC, now it was growing at the rate of 3.6%. Now industry, the only way I'm writing Ghana for Benye Juma, when your industry is growing, at the time of NDC, industry was growing at the rate of -%. Adentia, Abaino Abobosia, one fan shared the productive sectors of our economy to the extent that Abain was fighting over small microcredit with the private sector. And it is Abain Bobosia, any ordinary person pre-Bosia one. Abain has capacity to pay more than the private person. And the Ghana Fonina have taken their money into treasury bill. And when you seek our Ghana, you don't invest in industry. What do you seek and control treasury bill? Because Abain will pay you more money. That is what happened 8 years under NDC. Treasury bill was around 18%, 21%. Government was paying. And then I drop it to about 11%. Until control treasury bill and fast one is so who was sicker also the share industry more. And nothing that private people have taken advantage of flagship programs, say one district, one factory, 181 companies and just startup, 51 of them Ghana has this year. It tells you how well MPP is doing. I've been born here when this is 14. A Kumfi factory, you start here, almost never, it will never happen. Simply because the Commander Sugar Factory and Yejuma. So they think say we su enko Yejuma. And the Kumfi fruit factory no I started producing NDC4 on radio the omokache Ghana for say poison. This is a group of people we are dealing with. And no nyame ya o say NDC can sem sa nyame ya. The NDC ya say MPP before I tie ho ase no we complain more than the NDC4. That is the sad part of life. And no the ya say you know. Until they go back and say they are complaining. Yeah. They tend not to talk about all these things we are doing. Employment in 3 years. The Dutch government in the last 7 years has not done that. Because government all over the world, they are employing Crawford. We create opportunity for private people to employ people. Now, so our buying way, direct employment into public service, well over 360,000. And now, on your school, John Mahama na buying mismanagement of our economy. They went to the IMF. You see, freeze on employment. Meanwhile, we needed the nurses at the hospitals. From 2012 to 2016, they created a big mess. Now, they buy 56,000 of our own children, and they are far more into the public health service. Wow. They buy a teacher for, and this is for say, my double track. Now why ban Enco school? Now why ban Entrefi? That is the mindset of people who claim they are socialists. When you say you work from her, I will forbid the headache. Ni say you back on your scam Enco school. That is not the headache of parents in this country. Why should Akwala Yawono or Mami Nibi or Papa Nibi? We should deny that child his future. That is so sad. But Nanado say, the only way everybody can be partakers or beneficiaries of the oil will be a bank school free. And also, almost say they have a problem with it. Almost say now don't train or don't in 40 years no are starting implementation of the free SHS. But the question I asked the NDC, Mutina Abayamu 8 years, you did not implement free SHS. Yet you didn't have money to do the things Ghanaians wanted you to do. Nanado is doing free SHS, not only free SHS. Because the future of our country, it depends on how well your people are educated. And then, they commissioned the Council for Technical and Vocational Education. Because he said, so we'll see factories. Now you want to do industrialization. It depends on the skills we are giving prominence or importance to technical and vocational education. In Ghana, we've been to Germany, we've been to Europe, we've been to America. They are studied the technical and vocational skills of these countries, how they've done it and how well it's been done. Mr. Remo, every facet of our economy, there's no way in this investment country yourself who debate woman. They will not tell you to put the economy on the table for us to discuss. And they're planting for food and jobs. For the first time, Ghana did not import maize. Common basic staple in our country, we used to import them. And they are giant. Now you're importing banana. You import plantain, and then we become net exporters of these products in Ghana. One village, one dam. 211 of them. 500 more are on their way at various stages of completion. In 3 years. And Juma Nanado Aye. Me, I've been around the politics a little while. President Kufuor and Edimba. They had Dimpa, we declared the peak. Most of your things are it took off the second term. Nanado, major policies is happening right in the first term. It has never happened before. Professor Mills, 4 years of Professor Mills, nothing. And they see here, Ghana for one of the biggest critics of this government, they say, you see, Crawford Disika, I didn't even to prison. People are complaining. Yeah. But let me tell you, justice. Now, you are fortunate to have the ICC here. Trials are taking years. Criminal trials are not easy. They're very expensive and legal systems. No? Before we didn't to prison, the law says prove beyond reasonable doubt. And this is for buy no pray. There's no single person want to be secure conviction man. President Kufuor time. I take here your second term, 6 years in office, and say you're converting all those people. Why 3 years? Why are we putting pressure on Nanado in 3 years? We are happy to say over 24 of their officials are in court. But to Nanado, because on himself, the Attorney General and the Judiciary will take care of this. Let him concentrate on the governance. Yeah. Because we are not doing propaganda. We are not doing propaganda. 19th of December, President Mahama, that kind of few days to hand over. Ghana's bauxite. 58%, amounting to $450 billion of their money, brother. And the future of the country is mortgaged to one family. And then they have the guts to say that Nanado is running family and friends business. What kind of people? I just want to encourage you. Say, NDC has nothing good to offer us. Young Crawford no more Kasa Ghana 3 years. Obian destroyed Omai to that extent. How do you fix it in 3 years? Even in the face of all that, we are doing much better than them. You believe me, say there is more room for improvement. Yeah, best it is what you say. And now can asem ever a bind penny for one. You cannot go back and eat those words. It will hurt and hurt the party. That is the reason why we should be patient. Yes, a lot of people call you here. And in some mood, you don't demand so much from us. But when people call, exercise patience and explain it to them. Sebi, Chrome have one. Me not sure say obi sorry or call a buy hoko Jessica free. Abana ye share mu benefiting from the share na why no. That is what Nanado want to do in Ghana. Railway lines in Ghana. For the first time, Ghana is building a railway to the northern region and to Burkina Faso. Amazing. And now Ghana is talking about sky trains when nobody could ever think that it will ever happen in the sub-Saharan Africa. Nanado, what declare Ghana beyond aid? Last 2 weeks, Kempinski, the whole of Africa with UNDP, they've declared Africa beyond aid because Nanado's policy is what the whole Africa has taken on now. Mr. The image of our country is largely dependent on us outside. Let us be good ambassadors of our country. As small as it is, when you meet people, please push them to come home and take advantage of government policies. The one district, one factory. That is the only way we can create jobs for our people. We want to grow a government. That business will not be to employ people, but it's business to create the enabling environment for business people to take advantage of and grow our country for us. God bless all of us. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sylvester Tete. Mr. Sylvester Tete, message today very powerful.
Very, very powerful. Very, very powerful.
Your kind so one tia say no. Obi answer no question to hono. Question be obi an patrol for two team. For him and answer for other speakers no. From questions in it. If you be a homana to Mrs. Yakupina, you be a homana.